Yo, what's going on, you savages? It's the boy John Orcon here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys the second part to my how to make your own free Minecraft 1.8.8 server. And this isn't really a second part, but it kind of is, because in that video, I actually went ahead and said that I'm going to be bringing you guys a second part, which is how to, not really a second part, or another video explaining how to save your world from your server or transfer it into a different file and put an adventure map on your servers so you can play adventure maps with your friends, or you can just go ahead and save the file and put it into single player if you want to do that. So technically it is kind of a second part because it's basically the same thing, or the same concept, which is your server. But yeah, so I went ahead and made a different server than the actual tutorial. If you want the tutorial, it will be in the first link in the description. The first line in the description will be a link to the video, and you guys can go ahead and make your server, and go ahead and watch this after, I guess, if you're watching this before that one, if you want to make your server. Yeah, so this is basically the normal file that I have when I went ahead and created the server. So I went ahead and created a different one, as I said, for the sake of this video. I went ahead and called the actual level name in this server thing, server world, just so I can keep it simple for you guys. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and run the server to show you guys that it is a normal Minecraft server that I went ahead and created. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and launch Minecraft, or open Minecraft, and go ahead and join the server. I might need to actually cut until it lets me join the server. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to join the server. And I guess I will cut until I join the server, I suppose, or not. It's going to go ahead and load, right? Yeah, alright, so, yeah, here's the world that I went ahead and just created. This is the server world. As you can see, it's just a normal world. It's a little bit laggy right now because I just spawned into it, so no blocks or anything are dropping. But, yeah, this is the original world. You can see normal world, the chunks start loading. I'm going to go ahead and wait for the lag to die down here, so I'll show you guys the normal world. Man, you know you want to. Anyway, yeah, you guys can see that this is just a normal world. I actually lagged out, it shut down. I'm going to close that. But, yeah, you guys saw that was a normal world, nothing wrong with it except for it was a bit laggy at first, but, yeah. So now you want to go ahead and add an adventure map or something. So what do? Do you just delete all these files and add new files? No. What you do is you're going to want to go ahead and get this server world folder, which is the original name that you named your level name here in the server text document, which it should be named that, which mine is server world, so it's called server world, and the world folder. You're going to get both of these folders, and I recommend just putting the world inside these name of your server. So I went ahead and put my normal just world folder inside my server world folder here. So I have that over there. And now you have basically no world inside your server. So here you're going to go ahead and download your other map that you want to put in here. In this case, I just went ahead and downloaded a adventure map I found online. This is the folder. If you double click it, you see all the actual server, the world elements and stuff. So, you want to go ahead and create a new folder on your desktop along with the adventure map, and go ahead and call this one World. No spaces, no capitals, nothing, just World. Go ahead and open up your adventure map folder, copy all the elements that are inside of it. You don't need that anymore at the moment. Go ahead and open up World and paste them in there. So you'll have, I didn't mean to do that, just paste, and yeah, go ahead and paste all the files that you had inside your adventure map folder into a world folder. So you're going to have two folders that have the exact same files in them, but they're just different names. So from here, go ahead and select those, or just drag them both into your server folder, and go ahead and run the server. From here, it might be a little bit tricky for me to get this to actually recognize it at the moment without having a cut here. I just don't want to cut. So go ahead and try to join the server. It's not going to let you join the server. Just go ahead and try to join the server. Let it log in for a minute. And then go ahead and cancel and close the server. Now, you will see inside your server folder, it created another server world folder. It didn't overwrite anything in the world folder because it already had one, but it did create a new server world folder, or whatever the name of your actual server was. So it created a new one here. So it created the actual original world again. So it actually regenerated it, so now you have 2 copies. But you don't want this one. So go ahead and double click it. Delete all the elements inside, so don't worry, you still have this one on your desktop. Go ahead and copy and paste everything. 1 second, I don't know what's going on. What's going on? Skip. I'm not exactly sure what is going on. Maybe it's because I have it on my desktop and not because on my... No. Alright, 1 second. Alright, so that was a bit of a mistake on my part. It said that I wasn't allowed to copy the folder, but what you're supposed to do is go ahead and delete all the elements that were inside of the server world that was regenerated, and so go ahead and delete all those, and then copy all the files that are inside your adventure map folder and your world folder, or just one or the other, and paste them into the server world, or whatever you had your regenerated folder was. The reason it wasn't letting me do it a second ago is because I actually had like a full, I think I had it copied, and I tried to copy it even though I deleted it and whatever. So yeah, I had the wrong thing copied, so that's why it wasn't letting me do it again. Do it there. So that was a mistake on my part. But go ahead and relaunch your server from there. Now that you have 3 folders, technically the exact same files in them. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and join your server. And it might take me a second to try and get it to join, which I will go ahead and try to do here without a cut. Yeah, alright. So I went ahead and joined the server here, as you can see, which it is loading all the chunks, so that's why I can't really see anything right now. But, alright, so now I am inside the adventure map that I went ahead and installed on the server. As you can see, it was fairly simple. It took a little bit of tries to actually get it to work because we regenerated it, and I actually had a difficulty on my part, which was me failing to copy and paste the files again, but that was just a mistake on my part, as I said. So yeah, here you go. You have your adventure map, or whatever map you downloaded, on your server now. It was pretty simple. I hope this actually helped you guys on how to do this. And I know for a while I was actually wondering, how would you get, you see all these people doing like parkour maps and stuff, co-op maps and stuff, like how did you get the server? And I'm like, well, this is how you do it. I actually figured this out on my own. I just sort of saw the world file and everything. I was like, hey, what if you just copy and paste it and then redo it? But yeah, that's basically how you go ahead and get your world. And if you want to put it back on your server, it's basically the same premises, but I'm going to go ahead and show you anyway. I was about to do the outro, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and copy the adventure map folder here, and this folder, the world and the adventure map folder. I'm going to go ahead and delete this second server world that you went ahead and put the adventure map files in. I'm going to go ahead and empty my recycle bin really quick so nothing interferes here. And then I actually had to put it in here. I didn't have to, but I put it in there. I thought that would fix it. You can keep it on your desktop, the other folder. So I have it there. So here's the thing, or the normal original world folder, and the world folder. Hold on, I'm gonna put this inside the map so it doesn't interfere. I'm gonna go ahead and drag the world folder from your original server, world, and put it on the desktop along with this. Go ahead and copy and paste both of them into your server. Not copy and paste, drag them both into your server folder again. Once you removed both of the adventure map folders and the other server folder that was regenerated, and delete that. You don't need that anymore. And relaunch the server. I'm gonna go ahead and join the server. And once you've done this, it should go ahead and let you have the original world you had previously before you went ahead and moved it to your desktop. Alright, so far I've been really lucky with not having to cut until the server is available for me to join. So hopefully this isn't where I need to start. Or it could have regenerated another one. It didn't. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh the folder. And restart the server. Sorry for the awkward silence here. Hopefully the background music is doing good in the video. And a quick thing, if you guys want to go ahead and suggest some background music for my videos, it'll be very appreciated because I'm having trouble looking for videos for background music at the moment. Music for background music. Anyway, it's not actually wanting to work for me at the moment, so I'm not going to go ahead and just wait and skip and try to do it again. You basically got the point. It'll work. Just go ahead and wait for it to load up. And if you want to go ahead and put your world in a single-player world, if you want to put your server world in a single-player world, go ahead and open your .minecraft folder, or go to %appdata%, and go to your .minecraft and your saves folder, and just drag or copy and paste your server world, or whatever you had it called, into your single player, and it will be there when you go to single player and join it. So yeah, that is basically how to put an adventure map or edit your worlds on your own server. And it was fairly simple. If you have any troubles at all, go ahead and leave them in the description, in the comments. But I do recommend just trying to resolve them yourself, because I feel like that will be more help, because unless it's a completely different error that I haven't heard, then I'll try to help you. But if it's something sort of like what I did in the video, go ahead and try to learn from my mistake there, and try to resolve it yourself. But as I said, go ahead and comment if you have any problems, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace!